What is C programming language? C is a procedural programming language initially developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 at Bell Laboratories of AT&T Labs. It was mainly developed as a system programming language to write the Unix operating system. The main features of the C language include general purpose and portable, low-level memory access, fast speed, clean syntax. These features make the C language suitable for system programming like an operating system or compiler development. Why should we learn C? Many later languages have borrowed syntax/features directly or indirectly from the C language, like the syntax of Java, PHP, JavaScript, and many other languages are mainly based on the C language. C++ is nearly a superset of C language. Only a few programs may compile in C, but not in C++. So, if a person learns C programming first, it will help him to learn any modern programming language as well, as learning C helped to understand a lot of the underlying architecture of the operating system, like pointers, working with memory locations, etc. How to execute the above program? In order to execute the above program, we need to first compile it using a compiler, and then we can run the generated executable. There are online IDEs available for free like Windows. There are many free IDEs available for developing programs in C like CodeBlocks and DevCpp. IDEs provide us with an environment to develop code, compile it, and finally execute it. We strongly recommend CodeBlocks. Linux. GCC compiler comes bundled with Linux, which compiles C programs and generates executables for us to run. CodeBlocks can also be used with Linux. macOS. macOS already has a built-in text editor where you can just simply write the code and save it with a .c extension. Writing the first program in C. In order to write first C program, you have to create a file with C extension, and inside that file, write header of the code and then main function. Inside main function you can declare a variable and assign a value. Then use a printf function to display something on the screen and then return